Welcome to Liberty Park Music's Introduction to Guitar Playing course. My name is Z and I'll be your instructor. This course is designed for complete beginners who want to get started learning guitar. I will take you through fundamentals such as the names of the different parts of the guitar, how to tune a guitar, the correct posture for playing the guitar, how to read tabs, and more. Mastering these skills is essential because as you progress in your guitar playing, you shouldn't be stuck on bad habits that can lead to wrist pain, back pain, or misunderstanding notation like tabs. For those of you who have taken a few guitar lessons, this is a perfect chance to refresh your basic knowledge. In Intro to Guitar, you will learn skills that will prepare you for all of our other guitar courses. So join us and let's begin!